Welcome to the discussion on cash flow statement. My name is Dr. Devipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss Unit number 4, Part B, Fund Flow and Cash Flow Statement Analysis. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 2nd, Semester 3, Compulsory Paper 1, Management Accounting. Outline of this discussion: we should know what are the learning objective of cash flow statement. Then we want to introduce cash flow statement, meaning of cash flow statement, concept of cash flow statement and cash equivalent. Then preparation of cash flow statement as per Accounting Standard 3. And finally, we want to conclude this discussion. As a financial manager or student of finance, we should know learning objective of cash flow statement. As after learn cash flow statement, we may able to understand the basic concept of cash flow statement, to understand concept of cash and cash equivalent, to know the cash flow activities, then to learn preparation of cash flow statement as per Accounting Standard 3. You may refer syllabus of this subject. Then first of all, we want to introduce cash flow statement. Cash flow statement provide information about cash inflow and cash outflow during an accounting period. It is developed from the balance sheet and income statement data. It is important as a analytical tool for the financial statement analysis. It helps to explain the reason for the change in cash. It helps to reconcile net income with cash flow from operation. Valuation model used in financial analysis are often based on projection of future cash flow. The cash flow statement provide information about cash receipt, use of cash, that is cash outflow, during the period of time. Inflow and outflow depend on operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. And through these three activities, that is operating, investing, and financing activity, there we may found inflow and outflow of cash. Objective of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement helps to highlight cash flow from different activity. Short-term cash planning is there. We may effectively manage our cash. Cash flow information helps to understand liquidity. Efficient cash management is there. Prediction of sickness, comparison with budget, and cash position. Means what? We may understand, we may know what is exact cash position in our organization. Form of cash, there is cash in hand, cash at bank. Cash equivalent is there. Cash equivalent means highly liquid short-term investment, that is we can convert into cash and with little delay, including treasury bill maturing within the 19 days or less, investment fund, foreign currency on hand, checking account, free saving account. These are example of cash equivalents. Then three cash flow activities there: operating activities, investing activities, and financial activity. Operation activity, cash received from sales of goods and services and cash paid from operating goods and services means there is cash flow from operation. Investing activity, cash received from sales of investment and long-term asset, cash paid to purchase and long-term investment, that is cash flow from investing activity. Then financing activity, cash received from issue of debts or capital stock, and cash paid for dividend and into repay debts of by treasury stock, that is cash flow from financial activity. And all these activity finally we reconcile with our opening cash. Operating activity including cash inflow and cash outflow. Investing activity including cash inflow and cash outflow. Financing activity include cash inflow, outflow as a issue of shares in cash, issue of debenture, that is inflow, cash outflow, payment of loan, redemption of preference shares, payment of dividend, interest paid, that is outflow. How we can prepare the cash flow statement? Step 1, start with net income. Step 2, adjust net income for non-cash expenses and gain. Step 3, recognize cash inflow from change in current asset and liabilities. Step 4, sum to yield net cash flow from operation. Step 5, change in long-term asset yield net cash flow from the investing activity. Step 6, changes in long-term liability and equity accounting yield net cash flow from financing activity. Step 7, sum cash flow from operation, investing and financing activity to yield net change in cash. And step 8, add net changes in cash to the beginning cash balance to the yield ending cash. Order of presentation. First of all, we consider operating activity. It may be direct method or indirect method. Investing activity and financial activity. Net cash flow is equal to cash inflow minus cash outflow. Net operating cash inflow is equal to income after tax plus depreciation. Cash flow statement as per direct method. First of all, cash received from sales and cash received from dividend, then cash payment, and finally we want to calculate including purchase contribution payment of two employees, and finally we may calculate cash flow from operating activity. Then cash flow statement as per indirect method. Net, first of all we want to consider net profit before tax, then we may add depreciation, loss from on sale, loss of revaluation, then add operating profit before working capital change. There is increase in current asset plus decrease in current asset plus increase in current liability minus decrease in current liability is there. Then cash payment, trade, inventory and trade payment, cash generated from operation, interest paid and tax paid, and finally we may calculate net cash flow from the operating activity. There were two methods, direct method and indirect method. Indirect method is famous because 98.8% industry use this method. What are the basic difference in cash flow and fund flow? Basic accounting. Cash flow recognize cash basis of accounting, and fund flow consider based upon accrual basis of accounting, that is working capital. Significance: cash flow useful for short-term financing planning and fund flow for long-term financing planning. Change in working capital, such as in cash flow statement where schedule is not prepared for preparing cash flow statement, but in fund flow statement schedule there is schedule change in working capital is prepared separately. Causes of variation: in cash flow statement study only the causes of cash variation, in fund flow statement study causes of change in working capital. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion we may specifically highlight on cash flow statement, where we introduce cash flow statement, where we may understand objective of cash flow statement, step of preparing cash flow statement, pro forma of cash flow statement, difference between cash and fund flow statement. In brief, it is stated that it's as important. It is one of the important analytical tool for creditors, investors, and other users for the financial data. You may refer some book for the detailed understanding, and all these reference book already mentioned in your syllabus. You may refer that. And if you have any doubt, query, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My mobile number 9049081926. Email ID is there, paresh84jan@redmail.com. Thank you.